The empirical rule is a handy way to estimate probabilities in a normal distribution. Here is how it helps you understand risk. These three numbers represent the core of the rule, showing how data clusters around an average value. Almost all data in a normal distribution falls within 3 standard deviations of the mean. This helps investors gauge extreme outcomes. Think of standard deviation as a measure of volatility. Higher deviation means outcomes are more spread out from the average. The rule only works if your data forms a perfect bell curve. In real-world finance, data is often skewed by extreme events. This chart shows how the vast majority of occurrences are captured as we move further out from the center point. Remember that statistical models are just tools for estimation. Markets can often behave in ways that defy normal distribution patterns. Understanding basic statistics helps you spot risk. Subscribe for more finance basics and remember to do your own research.